my gosh. Hi guys, it's the day after my event, the entrepreneur. Hold on, I'll be back. My husband calling me. Sorry about that. Y'all know I'm filming my phone. So, and JB was calling me. Okay, so as I was saying before, I had my first official event. I'm on the highway. It's bumpy, so we know the drill. Okay, it's a bumpy car chat. Why are you so close to it, bro? It was the theme was a brighter you. And y'all know when I come in this people's internet and share my little 2 cents, I always try to come from a place of just being real and be authentic, especially when it comes to my emotions, and just talk to you guys through what I'm going through. Okay, and that has helped me tremendously. And so that was it. I'm going to insert some footage of what it was like. I held it at our favorite restaurant, one of my favorite restaurants. This restaurant was where JB and I went on our first date 14 years ago. And also the server that I had was the server who served us 14 years ago. So this for me was just it's just a big moment, you know what I mean? And I had my friend, oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna get emotional. I should be like, girl, what's wrong with you? But one of my sweet friend was so amazing. She was like my what's the word? She was just my backbone in the, what's up with this life? Just take it this way. She was like my backbone in this event. And girl, if you're watching Audrey, thank you, boo. Love you to the moon. I'm back. Okay. So it was a great time being around women, talking, sharing some really, inner thoughts and stuff like that. It was just amazing, and I'm so excited. But just like how we talked at the dinner, the takeaway or the overall goal of what I wanted to do was, listen, we all consume content on a daily basis, okay? And it's okay to consume the content, but if that information that you're consuming makes you think less of yourself and makes you not want to pursue your goal and your dream, and make you not be appreciative of who you are and what you have and where you come from and loving your journey, stop consuming that information. Okay? And you can consume the information through social media, via telephone conversation, the people that you allow to be in your inner circle. So we're about to come to the end of this lovely year. I say that with air quotes. But as this year come to a close and we watch the news, both local and international, we see all the stuff that's going on. We have to be at a place where we can be thankful for where we are, the space that we're in, and then also be angry and hopefully do something to help those that is definitely in need. Okay, so whatever a brighter you means to you, however you interpret that, it can be so different in the way that I interpret it, because I feel like after we have this lovely conversation last night with these 15 ladies, everyone took it differently. Some people felt healed, some people felt relieved, some people felt joyful, some people felt like freedom, was released. It was just an amazing dinner. It was an amazing time, and I'm definitely gonna try and do these more often. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to do, I think I'm more inclined to want to do them more quarterly than monthly. Just to meet up, have check-ins where everyone can feel like, hey, when I go to this event, this next event, I'm gonna talk about this. You see what I'm saying? And I'm gonna ask for input, and of course myself and my friend Audrey will be doing it. And just to have different speakers come in and speak, as it won't just be us speaking. really have therapists, nurses, you know, financial advisors, all these ladies who this is your profession, to speak on different topics, because we need it, and we need it, and I believe truly that is my calling. So and I feel like I'm able to do that through even my business, interior design, because excuse me, I think what people think about interior design or interior styling as just going to the store and buying something. For me, it's more than that. When I come into your home, I'm so big on experiences and creating bonds and having a connection with my client, that it's not every person that call me to work with me that I work with. I have to go through a process to even say yes, regardless of the size of my business or not. We all need to have standard, okay? I need to have like, hey, this is what I want, and this is what I'm going to slowly create as I build my empire. All right, guys. So on the road again. I'm gonna took the braids out early this morning. I'm gonna get them done tomorrow because I have a free day tomorrow. And then I hope you guys are doing well. Okay, I gotta go. I'm still beaming from yesterday's dinner. Oh my gosh, I did it, and I was so freaking scared. I was so nervous, but I did it, and I'm so proud of myself. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. Deuces. Bye. So guys, finally my client closing her home, and we got the furniture delivered. I had the guys put them in the rooms that they're supposed to be, and I'm just excited. And my first step is just finding places for the furniture before I start buying more things or having contractors come in, just to, you know what I mean? I want to have an idea of what I need to do. So that's how I start off with getting a space prep. Just kind of look and just move things around before everything gets crazy. So keep on watching. All right, guys, so this is the master. We got the bed from our house, and then I shop just different places. That was from Home Goods, I think. And I'm gonna get the mattress today. So she do have like a lot of natural light, and I want to do some kind of detail on the ceiling, kind of make it pop more. Something beautiful, not quite sure yet. All right, guys, so now I'm in my client's office. So my goal is try to reuse all the stuff she had in her prior home, kind of do it using the office. It's her own office, so we can cut costs. I wanted to invest in things that's gonna be, you know what I mean, more lasting. So I'm just trying to reuse the stuff that I have and invest on things that's gonna stand out. Like, for example, of course, the front part of the house, someone like a beautiful desk and a beautiful chair for her. So when you enter, you can see the space. This is gonna be an entire kind of workstation for her assistant. You're gonna have a TV and stuff so she can do, you know, her work and stuff like that. But as you look across to this way, that's what you're gonna see as well. So we're gonna change out the light fixture, we're gonna paint. So I just want to be a wow factor. It's time for my dinner, so this is what I'm wearing. Bye.
I have a friend that's like that. Like some days I'm like, we'll go. It'd just be nice conversation, but it'd be like, all right, I don't want you today.
The other hours, like, wow, you know, because I had.
And you don't have to share all your dreams with everybody, because some people are dream killers. Sometimes it's okay to move and just move.
And her first. Well, I'm gonna officially say this
First
is the
of
first
many.
and my areas that need to be healed, you know, areas of deliverance. And so, like I said, I want to live a purpose in that.
Where's your